This video is going to be a quick one. In this video, we're going to talk about the plan the Shopify offers. I know we just discussed this at the beginning of this course, but we're just going to quickly go over the plan Shopify offers and the credit card rate as well. And also, then we're going to show you how to unlock your store once you added all your product and customize your store, and once you're ready to go live, and how you could unlock your product so it's accessible to the public. So let's get started. So in order to select a plan, you just click on select a plan. So Shopify offers three types of plan. You've got basic, you've got Shopify, and you've got the advanced plan. So let's quickly look at the credit card rate for each of those plans. So for the basic Shopify plan, you got credit card rate of 2.2% plus 20 pence. In person, you have 1.7% plus 0 pence. That means if you got physical store and if you have Shopify EPOS credit card system, that's how much they charge you. For Shopify plan, the credit card rate is 1.9% plus 20 pence. In person is 1.6% plus 0 pence. And for the advanced Shopify plan, the credit card rate is 1.6% plus 20 pence, and in person is 1.5% plus 20 pence. Guys, if you're starting out, I would suggest to go with the basic plan. This is what I have as well. Across quite a lot of my stores, I have the basic Shopify plan. That's all you need to set up your store, add your product, customize your store, and start making money. That's all you need, guys. Basic plan. Once you start making a lot of money, then you could switch to the Shopify plan, which is the $79 per month. But if you're a beginner, if you're just starting out, go with the $29 a month plan. That's the best plan to go for if you're starting out. So once you've chosen your plan, then and you added all your product and customize your store, and you're happy with your store and you're ready to go live, then what you do, guys, you click on the store online, and then you go under preference, and then what you do is where it says enable password with the tick box, you untick that, and that means your store is basically live to the public, so people could come to your store and purchase a product from your store.